My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so early review, and this one is a little bit under a month out, depending on the exact date. I don't really know off the top of my brain, but I do know that this shoe drops next month. Not a very highly anticipated shoe, but it is a sneaker review nevertheless. So definitely want to hit y'all with these early reviews like that. Yeah, I don't really got too much to talk about. It's very bright outside because of me. Shout out to Wildin' Out for this hat. Definitely shout out to Wildin' Out for them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get to this review, and then after the review of the sneaker, I'm going to give y'all some information, like the exact date that it released, the exact retail price, and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'll be back in a quick second. Enjoy. All right, as you can see, we got this Air Jordan box right here. Black lid right there, white Jumpman in the center. Nothing special about it. It is one of those, you know, the hatch little latch. I said hatch latch, little hatch tops or whatever like that. But we got the little Oreo printed going all the way around the side right there. All right, the description reads Air Jordan 6 retro, color is white black. Don't know what the retail price is. I think it's gonna be like $190, something like that. Hopefully it's not nothing crazy like $210, but I mean, it doesn't matter to me because I will not be getting these. Spoiler alert, I will not be getting these. Size 9.5, that is not my size, but I just wanted to give y'all this early review for these, so I didn't even care about getting my actual size. Like I said, I would not be getting these. But we got the box, and ooh, I love the icy bottom. Let's take both of them out just so y'all can see them. That Oreo wrapping too. All right, so without further ado, we got the, put that right there. We got the Air Jordan 6 reverse Oreos. Boom. Okay, so like I said, we got the Air Jordan 6 reverse Oreos. Put this down real quick. And off back, it is a dope shoe. I like it. I love that translucent bottom. I love that clear bottom. I like that. Jumpman right there. Got the little Oreo speckles on the midsole, going all the way around. And on the back, little pull tab right there. Black Jumpman right there. Let's see. Got the black right there, the Jumpman in the center. Got the, you know, retro Air Jordan 6 normal tongue. I don't like the tongue. The tongues on the 6s is my least favorite thing. Jordan right there, white laces. I don't think no extra laces come with it. It's a white and black shoe. I mean, it depends on if you like white and black shoes. Me personally, I don't, but they clean. It goes with anything. You can match with anything. I would not be getting this only because I don't need this. I'm trying to cut down on shoes. If this was a year ago, I definitely would have bought it, and it just would have been sitting in my room, sitting in the vault for about 2-3 years. The shoes I got on now, these, I had these for like 3 years. This is my first time wearing them. So, yeah, we're not buying shoes that we're not wearing. And the good thing about having a girl that likes sneakers, that wears sneakers, and we just happen to wear the same size, is I don't have to buy it. So if she like it, she's probably gonna buy it. I'm just gonna wear her shoe. Like the 11s that come out this weekend that I did a review on, go check them out. Check that review out for them. The 11 low Space Jams, she wants them. I did want them. I do want them. But if she's going to buy them, cool, I'm not buying them. So that's a good thing about having a girl that's a sneakerhead too. So What y'all think about these? I mean, just a quick little early review. These come out next month. I don't know the exact date, but you know, once I get home, I'll give you all the exact date for everything. But it's a dope shoe. I mean, it's clean, but they will be sitting. So don't think that these gonna sell out. I like the little leather on it. Leather on this, the material on this is actually pretty good. As you can see that right there, it's plush. Good leather. So let me know if this is a copper drop for y'all. If y'all think this is worth the pickup. I do not think. But if you like it, I love it. So let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some real information about these. First off, let me sign out. Let me give y'all an actual good picture. That like that. That'd probably be the thumbnail right there. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Oh, okay. Just got home. Hope y'all enjoyed that little review of that the Air Jordan 6 reverse Oreos. That's what they call it. But got some information like I said I was gonna have for y'all. This is from Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It should be up right now, right next to me. That side of this, I forgot side. Usually I sit on the opposite side of my bed, so but it should be up on the screen. You can read along with me. It reads, in 1999, Jordan Brand introduced the famous Oreo theme through the Air Jordan 4. Since then, this popular style has been featured on other notable Air Jordan models. Now, for summer 2024, fans can anticipate the arrival of the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Oreo colorway, adding another exciting chapter to this beloved series. I wouldn't say beloved. The Air Jordan 6 boasts a simple and clean design with a two-tone combination of white and black. The shoe features white, smooth, and tumble leather upper with signature on the panels for enhanced breathability. The tongue and Jumpman logos are adorned in a solid black with the midsole and heel spoiler featuring distinctive speckle detailing. The overall look is complemented by an icy translucent outsole, completing the design with finesse. Okay, so release for this is June 8th. So yeah, under a month right now, because this the time of me recording this is May 13th, so under a month. And the retail price is $200. So remember I said 210. I think I said 180, 190. Then I said it might be 210, 215 because Jordan Brand be going back and forth. So this is 200. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There goes some more images. If you want to see those, just want to look at that real quick. And got some ads in there too. But yeah, that's it. But yeah, like I said, it's a drop for me. Not something that I want. Not something that I need. Y'all probably don't pay attention to my background, but my dunks, you see all my dunks right there? They used to be right there. And all my Jordan 1s and other stuff used to be right there. So the reason why I switched positions is because I got rid of a lot of my Jordan 1s. So I didn't need them right there. Now that just fills all my dunks right there. And I put my little bit of Jordan 1s back then. Did I get rid of some stuff over there? I think I got rid of like 3 shoes over there. It's just stuff that I just didn't need. Like I got rid of the white. I got rid of some good ones too. I got rid of my Lost. Now I got rid of one pair of Lost and Fellas. I had 2 pairs. I kept 1 pair. I got rid of 1 pair of Reimagined Bread Forest. I had 2 pair of those. Got rid of 1 pair of Reimagined White Cement 3s. I got rid of my Spider-Man 1s, the second ones. So I got rid of some good shoes this past weekend. So it just like they just was collecting dust. They were just sitting there. So it is, and I'm not a hoarder. Like I'm not just gonna be having shoes just to have shoes. But anyway, man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below about the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Oreos. There's a cop a drop for y'all. Like I said, it's a drop for me, but maybe a cop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks. And the whole Toon Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice